So, update, still cutting hay.
Welcome to Strickland Farm.
So, update, still cutting hay. We are on the last 2 terraces. See, that's all cut. Spin you around, put you right in the sun. This is all we like. So, it shouldn't be much longer. But, I wanted to show y'all something. I have the best mom in the world. So, she brought some tea cakes as a snack for us. When you're cutting hay for 6 hours straight, you need a snack. Thank you, Mama. You're awesome. Alright, I'll check in with y'all when I get done.
They need if you can show these 2 tractors like we did instead of stopping, just going right on through each other.
You got out of the way quick that time. Grandpa will probably do some damage. Nah, let's bump it up a year. Maybe we can stay in the seat. We're over halfway finished with the 50-acre field. Long rows. We're right up there at the top of the field, the end of it, where those trees are. I don't know, you chicken?
I ain't chicken, but I'm a common fish.
Yeah, I'm bigger than you. So, when I'm cutting hay, I line my, I can't hardly see because of the loader, but I line my tire up where I've already cut, because the cutter sits from here over. Alright, so I'm ready to cut. My cutter's up right now. I'm going to hit this hydraulic button. That puts my cutter down. Alright, and then gonna lock the hydraulic button down. That lets the cylinder float up and down and ride. Alright, we're ready to cut. So now we start going. You can see this field is very vast. It's an interesting word, but it goes all the way up to the tree line. That tree line up there goes over there. It's right at 50 acres. So. Last time I cut it, I don't remember it being this rough, but hey. So I'm going 5.6 miles an hour, if you can see that. And we're got on a little smooth area, so I'm gonna hit this button right here, this turtle, to speed up. Oop, there we go. Now we're going 6.6 miles an hour. These tractors are nice. Air conditioner feels good. Got a good radio. Although I'm not listening to it because of YouTube. I just went over a cow trail rut. This end of the field, it's cowbird everywhere.
The light color was the best males or what? Oh,
Everywhere. On the other end of the field, there's a different bird, and I'll show you how that. On this end of the field, a bunch of guineas out here. We've been having to chase them off with the tractors, but they've crossed the fence into the pasture now. Another one right there. So, almost through. It has been a rough ride, to say the least. But, getting it knocked out. So that's a wrap. Folded up. Headed out. Going to the 20 acre field. We'll do it tomorrow. We're probably gonna be done for today. Man, I cleaned the crap out of my windows. And now they're dirty. But you get the point. 50 acres down right here. Took us about 6 hours. Not bad for 6 hours, 2 tractors. And Dad left for about 30 minutes. So I think you should have moved the tractor. Welcome back to Strickland Farms. Thanks for clicking on the video. So today we're finishing cutting hay over here on this 20 acre field. Dad got here before I did. Because he's retired, he can do that. And started cutting, and he's cut the tops of the terraces, and then he's cut the ends and all that, so easy to turn around, so I can just jump in and go. Which he's still cutting right now. There he is right there. He's got a herd of cowbirds following him. So look what he did. Instead of moving my tractor, he just cut around. Crazy rascal. But I need to go put that guard down and we'll be ready to cut hay. So he may have got maybe he's got 5 acres cut so far, so that'll make it go a lot faster for me. Because we got a football game at 6:30 tonight. My niece has got a volleyball game at 4 today. Busy, busy. But we wouldn't have it no other way. The Lord has blessed us with active families and a good career and farming. We love farming, so stay tuned. Here we go. Turn the radio down. So I'm gonna take you off the holder. Show you how I get started. So I was showing in yesterday's video, I hit the center hydraulics to let it up and down. Let it up. So this hydraulic here, oh, you see that? Push it out and it swings the cutter out. Push it back, it swings the cutter in. It's for transport mode. We're going down the road, so I'm gonna push it out. It swings the cutter around. So the cutter will be out to the side of the tractor like I was explaining in yesterday's video. So we're out in transport mode. Put it in gear. That was my bad. Oops. Do that a lot with these tractors. I'm gonna back around where it's straight and back out of this patch of grass. So next step when you get started, so I'm gonna get where I want to get, is I turn the PTO on. So the PTO is what runs the cutter. So here we go. Tractor's idle down. PTO's this yellow button right here. Match down and forward. And the cutter comes on. Alright, it's running. Can't turn the camera around. But my screen showed me that I'm running 230 RPMs on my PTO. I'm gonna run my throttle forward, speed the tractor up. I've got the cruise set at 540, so it always stay at 540. Right here's what I got it set at. So it's set on for the PTO cruise at 540. All right, so it'll always stay at 540 no matter what gear I'm in or how fast I go. So, time to cut hay. I'll bring y'all back out in a little bit. Lots of them. Pretty neat looking. Looks like a green river running across the field. All these white birds everywhere. It's pretty neat. Don't like much now. Everything up there at the top of the hill is cut. All I like is just that little bit on that terrace and the next terrace. So, works out good when Dad cuts the tops of the terraces for me. Them rascals are brave. They get close. Alright, talk to y'all later. Alright, so now that we're done, we're going to fold up. We'll do the hydraulics. Just turns the cutter in, pull forward and straighten the tractor. And then we'll go out and fold the wings up, wing guards, and we'll be ready to go down the road. Take a little trip with me. So if I'm gonna go a long way, I'll fold this over so it's not hanging out like that. Just gets another extra foot or so. So that side's folded up. Come around here, pull this lever. See, it won't fold up because that lever's locked, so pull the lever, fold that side up and it latches. Like I said, if I was going to go a long way down the road, I'd fold this, whatever it is, tarp over, but I'm not, so make sure his blades ain't sticking out. There's the cutter bar. This is a 3-bladed system on the Kubota, which is Vicon's design. For the people that know about hay, it's Vicon's design. Whereas the Kuhn's a 2-bladed system. So the Kuhn has 2 blades on each spindle. Alright, we're folded up, ready to go down the road. Gonna be a wrap on cutting hay.